My dear student friends, are you fine? I am Nidhi James. Today, let's go through a new and lovely story theme, the language of birds. Have you ever listened to the song of a nightingale? Nightingale is a small secretive bird. It's rarely seen in the wild because it spends most of its time in the thick bushes. It is a solitary bird. Nightingale is best known for its romantic melodious songs that can be heard both during the day and night. Shall we start an exciting and sweet musical journey with a nightingale? Are you ready? Let's go through the story theme. The language of birds is a famous Russian folktale. Folktale means a very old traditional story from a particular place that was originally passed on to people in a spoken form. This interesting story is about the friendship between a boy and a nightingale. Ivan, the main character of the story, wanted to know the meaning of the lovely songs of the nightingale. So he wished to understand the language of birds. Let's read and enjoy the story. A soothing song. Soothing means relieve pain or discomfort. Relieve means lessen or remove. In Russia, there lived a rich merchant. Merchant means a trader who sells goods in large quantities. He had a servant, a bright and brave boy called Ivan. Servant means a person employed to do domestic work in a household or for a person. Bright means intelligent. Brave means having or showing courage. The merchant was a cruel man. He made Ivan toil from dawn to dusk. Toil means work. From dawn to dusk means from the rising of the sun to the setting of the sun, or from early morning until early evening. Ivan had no time to rest. Tired after heavy work, Ivan would lie on his bed. Then a nightingale would start singing sweet songs to him. Nightingale is a small brown bird, the male of which has a beautiful song. Every night the nightingale used to sing for him. He could never see the nightingale as it was dark outside, but its song soothed him to sleep. What a lovely song! How beautifully it sings! But what is the meaning of its song? I wish I could understand the language of birds. Ivan would think. Throughout this story, he wished to understand the language of birds. Just like Ivan, today onwards, let's try to understand the language of birds. Okay, my dear student friends. Bye. See you later by new story themes. Thank you.